let's make some motherfucking breakfast. I'm gonna do one example for each meal of something that I would eat on a typical day. It does change, but every video I'll just show you something a little different. Today we eating oatmeal with fruits. You have to have a fresh fruit or a fresh vegetable in every single meal. I don't care. And look at me. Ain't nothing more humbling than watching yourself exercise on video and realizing that you're shaped like Humpty fucking Dumpty. Alright? Look at that. How does one acquire such a build? I'll tell you how. Doing nothing but eating and drinking for 8 months and being super depressed. Here's some nice little exercises. I'm gonna show you guys. This is all like lower body and abs. Highly suggest. You don't need that many materials to do it. You can do it at home. As you see, I'm doing it at home. I got these ankle weights off Amazon for $19. They're 2.5 pounds each, and let me tell you, when I do my butt exercises like this with the ankle weights, I feel it for a couple days. I definitely suggest adding ankle weights for your glute exercises, especially the low impact ones. I can't do that many squats. I have really bad arthritis in both of my knees. Thanks, Army.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
That's me now, busting out of my gym clothes. And these Hello Mollies or Hello Dollies were no joke. Highly suggest. And you guys, when you see me only doing like one leg or one arm, I'm just showing you the exercise. Please also do your other leg and your other arm, okay? I'm just trying to make it quick and simple videos. I'm not trying to drag it out and have like 45-minute long videos of exercise routines. And right now I'm only doing 2 rounds of every exercise because I don't want to be so sore that I don't keep up with my new schedule. So come next week, I'm adding a 3rd round to each exercise, and then I'll just raise it from there and from there and from there, just to, keep my body, keep my muscles on their toes, if they had toes. Highly suggest this too. I say that a lot, highly suggest, but this ab exercise literally killed my entire core. My abs were sore for like 3 days. The next day I tried to do abs and they were so sore I got like 5 sit-ups in. It was horrible. Don't mind my camel toe. Maybe I'll start wearing underwear. Sorry, everybody. This exercise only works if you engage your core. You have to like flex your abs while you do that or you won't feel a thing. This is just for my calves. It's a little calf exercise. Do it. It's worth it. You don't even need weights. If you're even more out of shape than I am, then you don't need weights for this exercise. You can just lift your body like that. This was such an amazing snack. I won't say it was a bowl of ice cream, but it definitely did help curb my sweet tooth. It was so delicious. And then I made this tuna salad. I made my son a sandwich, which you'll see in a minute, and I put arugula and spinach on it for him. And of course I swapped Greek yogurt for mayonnaise. It's just healthier and it has more protein, so it was really, really good. Mashed some avocado in there. That's my son's. And then for mine, I just used 1 piece of bread because I'm not cutting out carbs completely, but I don't want as many. Here's an upper body exercise for you guys. Like I said, we're gonna do each exercise 2 rounds. I'm only showing you 1 round because I want to keep the video short, bitch. But I'm starting to see a difference in my arms, and I am liking it. If only my stomach would catch up as fast as the rest of my body is, because, girl, this is not, like, look at that. Come on now, I cannot believe, I can make fun of myself because I'm doing something about it, but I really cannot, you guys, believe that I let myself get this far from what I used to be. This is the most out of shape I've ever been in my life outside of like postpartum. So some nice rows here. I like these as well. You gotta have a nice sexy back. You gotta do every muscle. You don't want to just do like abs and legs, or else, you know, you're not gonna unbig your back like that. And you want to look nice and toned. And this is for the lunch lady arms right here. We're trying to get rid of those. This is something I actually learned in physical therapy, and it's really good for your shoulders. And I have a separated AC joint, so it's actually recommended that I do this exercise. So that's what I'm doing. And the weights in my hand are only 5 pounds. You saw me struggling there. A little wood chopper action, trying to get that, the little fat under by my bra, trying to get that out. So that's what that's for. Honestly, this exercise I could have used the 10-pound dumbbells, but I did 5. But this next week I will definitely be using 10 pounds because I did like 100 of these and didn't feel a thing. Maybe that's from like picking up babies all day. I don't know. Yeah, see, I just keep going and going and going. Definitely have to up it. And I was beat, but it was nice. And then we're making a little dinner. I'm typically not a Brussels sprouts person, but I think I finally found the right recipe or the right amount. Maybe I just can't have too many Brussels sprouts. I feel like they always taste kind of bitter. I did a little bit of onion and then yellow squash, summer squash, and then Brussels sprouts. I shaved some and I chopped some. Here's my husband, my sous chef. Oh, we was grilling in a thunderstorm. Look, he didn't even care. He starts laughing and everything too. I had to show y'all this clip because really, if this isn't the epitome of Florida, I don't know what is. And this was our dinner. It was so delicious. I always eat chicken thighs. I feel like chicken breasts dry out a little easier. And that was it. Love you guys. See you next week.